2026 is going to be one of the most profitable years for people who know exactly where to look. While the world complains about inflation, job scarcity, and rising costs, a new wave of income opportunities is quietly exploding. Opportunities that 90% of people are ignoring. Today, I'm going to take you through real, proven, powerful income streams that are emerging right now and accelerating into 2026. The ones that can genuinely change your life. We're not talking about hype, not empty motivation, not get-rich-quick scams. These are practical, actionable, and future-ready money-making opportunities that anyone can start, with little to no money. If you've been searching for a way to make 2026 your breakthrough year, this is it. Before we jump into the opportunities, you need to understand something important. The world is not running out of money, it's simply moving, silently, rapidly, and unevenly. 2026 is bringing a massive shift in how people learn, how businesses operate, how digital services are delivered, how creators get paid, how AI reshapes everyday work. The people who win in 2026 are not the ones who work the hardest. They are the ones who position themselves where opportunities are being created. This video is about helping you step into those positions, starting today. Most people see AI as a threat. Smart people see AI as a tool, a multiplier. In 2026, AI doesn't replace people. It replaces people who refuse to learn a new skill. Here are microservices you can offer with AI tools. 1. AI video editing. Services businesses want TikToks, Reels, Shorts, but most don't know how to edit. Using tools like Descript, CapCut, and OpusClip, you can deliver high-quality edits in minutes. Charge $15 per short, $200 $500 month packages. 2. AI content creation for businesses. Write captions, posts, blog intros, product descriptions. Not everyone wants to learn AI, but they'll pay you to do it. 3. AI thumbnail creation, AI plus Canva. Profitable side hustle. 4. AI chatbot. Set up for small businesses. Most small businesses still don't have automation. Setting up a simple AI-based receptionist or FAQ bot can earn you $50 to $200 per setup. AI is not taking jobs. AI is giving income to anyone who learns to use it. This is one of the most underrated and powerful income opportunities in 2026. Here's how it works. You find a service people need locally, but instead of doing the work yourself, you hire someone cheaper to do it for you and keep the difference. Examples. 1. Home cleaning services. People will always need cleaning. You take the order, hire someone to clean, keep your profit. 2. Social media management for local shops. A salon, restaurant, boutique, gym, they all need social media help. You don't have to be an expert. Just coordinate the posting and hire freelance editors. 3. Delivery and errand services partner with local boda riders, cyclists, drivers. You do the managing. They do the deliveries. This is real business ownership, whether you're doing the work or not. The world is now fully digital, but not everyone has digital skills. That's where your opportunity comes in. These are low-cost, high-income skills exploding in 2026. 1. Social media management companies don't want followers. They want sales. If you can manage content plus DM outreach, you're valuable. 2. Website setup. No coding needed. WordPress, Shopify, Wix, Squarespace. You can build a full site using templates. Earn $150 to $700 per project. 3. Online course creation services. Help experts or teachers turn their knowledge into digital courses. People pay $300 to $1,000 for someone to record slides, edit videos, upload units, build course dashboards. This is booming. 4. Freelance tech support, fixing laptop issues, setting up routers, cleaning viruses, installing software. People will pay for convenience. You don't need a huge audience, you need a valuable voice. Audiobook narration. Amazon ACX pays people to narrate audiobooks. If you can read with clarity, you can earn. Faceless YouTube channels, AI voice, stock footage, your ideas. People are making $3,000+ a month without showing their face. UGC, user-generated content. Brands pay ordinary people to make product review videos. 2026 is the year of authentic video, not perfect influencers. These won't make you rich instantly, but they help you build international income. 1. Testing websites and apps. Companies pay $10–30 for 10–15 minutes of testing. 2. Transcription jobs. If you can type, you can earn. 3. Micro freelancing platforms. Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour. Offer small services, logo fixes, caption writing, social media captions, background removal, PDF editing, consistency, earn income. With so much noise online, people are willing to pay for focused communities. You can create a group for parenting, fitness, finance, cooking, tech skills, beauty, spiritual growth. Charge a monthly subscription, $5–20. Provide value weekly, build a loyal tribe. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be one step ahead of someone. Turn what you know into ebooks, checklists, digital plans, journals, budget templates, tutorials, guides, mini courses. These sell 24/7, even while you sleep. Listen carefully. 2026 will not reward the smartest. It will reward the bold, the consistent, the people who are willing to learn, take action, and start even when they feel unprepared. You don't need permission to build a new life. Just start with the next opportunity you can handle. Small steps become big wins. Little actions build massive results. If you start now, you'll position yourself in the new economy, where your creativity, your skills, and your willingness to grow can create more income than ever before. So take one opportunity from this video. Start today, and watch how 2026 becomes your most profitable year. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more income ideas, business insights, and life-changing opportunities. See you in the next video.